What if we were to tell you that there is ancient technology at work on this Earth which has been protecting life here for thousands of years? What if we told you that the Black Knight satellite was in fact a part of the apparatus that detects threats to this planet? We know this sounds crazy, guys, but what if it was true? What if alien beings or ancient inhabitants on Earth armed our world after a near miss from a heavenly object, or even after an actual cataclysm from an asteroid strike? What if they armed the Earth to preserve life here as they left in the search for other worlds? Wait till you hear this. In some of the most remote parts of Siberia, something has been discovered that could rewrite the history books. Mysterious metallic cauldrons have been spotted in this part of Siberia for some time now. Eyewitness accounts report seeing these huge objects popping up from the ground and resubmerging after they were activated. In 1908 and more recently in 2013, meteor objects entered the Earth's atmosphere. Objects in Tunguska and Chelyabinsk were large enough to wipe out a city the size of London, but they were shot out of the sky in spectacular fashion by the Siberian cauldrons. It is strange for us to think that this type of technology could exist without us knowing about it, but how arrogant are we to actually believe it could not be true? Are we really so close-minded to believe that we are the only intelligent life ever to be on the Earth? After 4 billion years, we are nothing more than a simple blip in this planet's long natural history. The cauldrons could be activated by the legendary Black Knight satellite. The satellite could be acting as a spotter of large objects. When it finds one large enough to affect life here, it sends the signal down to the cauldrons, which then detect and shoot these objects out of the sky. An early report of a copper cauldron with only the top exposed dates back to 1853. But the most popular ones are about nomads who found similar metal ones in 1930 and later who used them to get out of the winter cold until they became sick from them. They are thought to be radioactive, hence the sickness. A recent expedition to the area produced interesting results for the scientists. They found huge crater holes in the ground where the cauldrons are thought to be submerged, and they are convinced they were actually standing on the roof of a metallic object, but could not carry on with the research because of sickness and had to be evacuated from the Valley of Death. The lead scientist was quoted as saying to a reporter, "There's definitely something weird out there. We have no idea what they are, who put them there, or what they were used for. But they are there all right." Could these objects really be ancient alien artifacts? According to many believers, these cauldrons are actually defense weapons built by ancient aliens to defend our planet against all space-based threats, whether by hostile aliens, asteroids, or comet strikes. Many people cite the numerous meteorites that have crashed or exploded in the area as evidence of this, including the famous Tunguska meteorite in 1908, the Uliuiu meteorite in 1984, the Vitim meteorite in 2002, and the famous Chelyabinsk event in 2013. What do you guys think of the giant cauldrons and the possible link to the Black Knight satellite? How old is the apparatus? Could this have been protecting the Earth for tens of thousands of years? Comments below. Thanks for watching.